So hello everyone. So one of the main interesting topic in the electromotive force is that is the reference electrode. So reference electrodes are nothing but the electrodes in which whose potential value is known. So when we know the potential value, we are going to identifying the other electrode potential. Therefore these electrodes we can call it as the reference electrodes. For example, standard hydrogen electrodes. In standard hydrogen electrode, which is used as the reference electrodes, so what is standard hydrogen electrode? So hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubbled through the solution of 1 molar concentration of hydrochloric acid. So here we are taking the platinum foil is the electrical contact. In the this schematic diagram represent the standard hydrogen electrodes. So this consists of the platinum foil which is suspended in the solution, so which is coated with a platinum black. So here is the inlet for the hydrogen gas at the side tube. So hydrogen gas is passed at the 1 atmospheric pressure. So in the beaker we are taking the 1 molar solution of hydrochloric acid. So when the hydrogen gas is bubbled at 1 atmospheric pressure, so here we are taking the platinum foil which is coated with the platinum black. So the main reason for that coating is to increase the absorbing capacity. So this hydrogen gas gets adsorbed on the platinum foil. So there is the equilibrium between the hydrogen gas and the hydrogen ion which are present in the 1 molar solution of hydrochloric acid. So the cell reaction is given by the half H2, so is in equilibrium with the H plus ions in the solution plus electrons. So this is the reversible reaction, so therefore it can be represented in the equilibrium sign. So the cell representation is given by, that is the platinum H2 at 1 atmospheric pressure, so single vertical line, that is H plus ion in the aqueous solution. So the standard electrode potential of these standard hydrogen electrode is, that is E naught, is the standard electrode potential of the hydrogen electrode is 0.0 volt. So therefore, so by using this electrode potential, so we are going to identify the another electrode potential. So the defects of the standard hydrogen electrode, or simply we can call it as the SHE. So it is difficult to maintain a unit concentration of H plus ion. So as we know, hydrochloric acid is the gas, right? So during this process, the hydrogen and chlorine gas get evolved from the solution. Therefore it is very difficult to maintain the 1 molar concentration of hydrochloric acid throughout the procedure. So therefore it is difficult to maintain the unit concentration of H plus ion. So the second defect is, it is not possible to supply the continuously 1 atmospheric pressure of hydrogen gas. So even though hydrogen is a very highly flammable gas, so it catches the fire easily, therefore it is not to maintain the 1 atmospheric pressure. So therefore, so this is also one of the defect for the standard hydrogen electrode. And the next defect is that it is not easy to get the pure and dry hydrogen. So this is the construction and working of the standard hydrogen electrode. So during the process, the equilibrium between the hydrogen gas and the hydrogen ions which are present in the 1 molar solution, so that produces the potential. So that is, therefore the standard electrode potential of hydrogen electrode is given by 0.0 volt. So next type of that is reference electrode is calomel electrode. So calomel is nothing but the mercurous chloride, we call it as the calomel. So this is the construction of calomel electrodes, so which consist of the side tube. So we are putting the solutions from here, so and elongated glass tube, and which is inside the platinum foil, and it is it consists the side tube at closed at the jet, and in this tube, so which is at the top, so which is fitted with a rubber cork, so or which can be sealed with a rubber cork. Then so this consists of the mercury at the bottom, so mercurous chloride paste, and KCl, that is the saturated solution of potassium chloride. So during the reduction process, so in this case, so during the reduction process, the Hg2 plus ions that are given by the mercurous chloride, means the Hg2 plus ion furnished by the mercurous chlorides. So these gets the 2 electrons and they form the Hg, means this will convert it into mercury and this will settle down. Therefore in this case the concentration of HgCl2 plus decreases, and the amount of the Hg amount of calomel is decreases, and in this process the HgCl2 solid is converted into Hg2 plus 2Cl aqueous, means what is happening here in this case, the Hg2 plus ions gains the electrons, so they gets deposited at the bottoms and the Cl ions are passed through the solution. Therefore the concentration of chlorine ion here is increases during the oxidation process. So in the oxidation process, so what is happening here is the Hg which is present at the bottom, so these loses 2 electrons and form the Hg2 plus ions. So during this process the Hg which is present at the bottom, so this will oxidized by losing its 2 electrons and form the Hg2 plus ions. So during this process the Hg2 plus ions which are formed, so which are combining with the Cl minus ions which are present in the KCl, so this will form the HgCl2. During this oxidation process the chlorine ion concentration is decreases. The overall cell reaction is given by Hg2Cl2 solid gets 2 electrons, so it is equilibrium with the 2 Hg and 2 Cl in the given solution. Therefore the standard electrode potential of this calomel electrode is given by, that is minus 0.2415 volt. So this is the construction of calomel electrode and the reactions, the reduction reaction and oxidation reaction which can occur in the calomel electrode. So once again I am repeating, during the reduction process what is happening, so mercurous chloride, in the mercurous chloride, so the Hg2 plus ions, so this will gains the 2 electrons, so this is the sparingly soluble salt, means this is the example of the metal insoluble metal salt electrodes, means reversible electrodes. So mercurous chloride, so this Hg2 plus ions they gains the 2 electrons, so form the Hg, so which is deposited at the bottom. Therefore there is the increasing the number of chlorine ions in the solution. So in the reduction process there is the increase in the chlorine ion. During the oxidation process the Hg, so which can loses 2 electrons and becomes the Hg2 plus. So this Hg2 plus, so this Hg2 plus can combine with the chlorine ion, so they will form the Hg2Cl2, means mercurous chloride. So therefore during the oxidation process the concentration of the chlorine ion is decreases. The net cell reaction is given by HgCl2 plus 2 electrons is equilibrium with 2 Hg and 2 Cl. So the standard electrode potential of this calomel electrode is given by minus 0.2415 volt. Thank you.